Hello guys, welcome you all in this video, and this video is totally dedicated for FRP bypass of Samsung Android smartphone. If you had hard reset of Samsung phone, then after hard reset when you will switch on, you will get a such type of display where you will get welcome option, language option as a start button. So let's check after the hard reset or factory data reset, either your Samsung phone has been completely unlocked or not. So here you can see after the hard reset, it's again asking your pin pattern and password lock, but you will get another option that is showing here, use my Google account instead. You have to tap on this one to check your phone is unlocked or not. So here you can see it's asking your Gmail ID and password. It means your phone is locked due to FRP. So here in this video, I will tell you how you can bypass your FRP lock of your Samsung Android smartphone of any series and or any Android version. Simply you have to come on the starting page. Make sure connect your phone to the Wi-Fi network. Here you can see I have already connected my phone to Wi-Fi network. Then after you have to make some changes in your settings. Firstly you will have to change your language. Then after that, what I am going to do with this phone, you have to do the same with your own. Okay. Tap on this option. You have to open this page. Simply when you will touch anywhere it won't work. You can see here it's not working, so don't worry at all. Simply you have to open this page and go to the back option. Now you have to come on this page. In the setting, firstly you have to reset all the setting from this setting page. Now simply go back and again you have to add some another languages. Back. After that you have to switch on these options. Go to back and tap on this one. You have to tap on this. Next, come on this page and here you have to tap on this setting. You can see here all the settings are okay. Tap on this updates. Stop all the updates from this page. Go to the back. When you will tap on this sign in, you will again come on this page. Simply you have to use a random email IDs. Not working, can see here. Tap on this one, go to the back. Go to the next option. Again next. Finish this. You have to activate all these buttons. When it will disappear, tap on this second. Third. Fourth. Done. Go to next. 4 has been done. Lastly 5 you have to activate. Next. Next. And all done. You have to finish from here. Finish. You don't have to go in this option. All the things has been activated. Finish. Go to the back. Next and finish. All the things has been done. Go to the back. Again back. Tap on this option. You have to connect your data cable. Now go to the next, next, switch, and done. One axle switch, next, done. For 5 seconds. Done. Go to the back. Set as default. Now simply go to the back. Now tap on this emergency call and star as 0 star has, and simply you have to tap on this and tap on this one. You will get this pass message. Go to the back. All the things has been showing here pass, it means it's okay. Pass and pass, done. Start. All the things has been done, so let's check. Tap on this next. Tap on this don't copy. So now you can see here you are getting here skip option. It means your FRP has been removed. Simply you have to tap on this and make sure you use a new pin pattern or password lock, whatever you want. Go to the mode, accept, okay. Remove the data cable and finish. You can see that the new pattern is working or not. So it's working, so all done.